Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter for Inside Story for this afternoon. We go take una enter for road. Now for that side from Bankomo, where it is so accident be passed, it be there yesterday. At least 2 people them they die after we Tungongoro them set the jam heads for some village for Konam Bankomo. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go take una to enter for side from Jombe. Sabise from Jombe side. Now we plenty of we brother them, papa and mommy them, where they run for Sika Palava trouble for Northwest Airways. They did down for them. But now which kind of condition where they for inside, we go try for talk on top that Palava inside this afternoon. Chapter 2 for Labor Day, we go take una enter for inside Bamenda headquarter for Norwest, where una sabi say Labor Day it be pass, but no be na as well it be don't ever be. We go show now with image as well Labor Day it be pass for side where they call them say Bamenda. Just for sabi say Tori people them too, they prepare for their big day where they come on Friday. Now well press freedom day, people them for Kamasej, Cameroon English Tori people them for Douala. Them this also prepare. Now so to Sepka when a council for Protestant church too. Them say they want use this big day for Tori people them for train Tori people them for private house as well they get for talk Tori inside we country. Newspaper them the day for we before we will go talk am to this afternoon. Big part talk it tell we say time where 2 people there they know the sea they fight. Now one way it the sea small. He go win that fight. I say time where 2 people the way they know the sea they fight. One way the sea small. Now he go win that fight. Reverend Bay Christian for Limbe. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. Me at the turn back small time. Man no run. Country people them inside this afternoon we dey say big salute for all one for outside day. We glad for meet up unam our number 2 time inside this number 2 day for number 5 moon. Chapter for this afternoon we go start now with the accident for Konam Bankomo na road where they go Yawende. Now for inside motor we be turn take image, but as well we go talk una go try for see as well motor then they be make accident. Now one go to that where he carry cement, where he sleep for one side, he hate he don't chakara all thing about them gongoro, he chakara as well they go for before so for road from Bankomo. Now the other one this way cut half. It remain for back, and as well they go for before, you go see the other head for the motor for before for this side where it too it don't turn up just for tell we the kind of way where the accident be happen. For sika this accident will be happen for road from Bankomo, motor the way they be the waka come out for Yawende, come for Douala, and one way they be come out Douala they go for Yawende. All man it be turn up now for long line. For Sika say they be get for comot all that dirty them where either motor they make am na motor then this way they be the go Yawende. No one motor it no be fit for waka, and they tell we say for that accident so we happen for road from Bankomo when na Tungongoro then say they jam their head. 2 people them, I say at least 2 people them, they die for Sika the accident, and Sabi say the one they try for talk say na for Sika plenty speed. So if you see as we head for motor, it chakara sote time no dem. That one we know the talk say person they alive for this accident way happen. We hear say 2 people them, we get the Gongoro driver and even the motor boy where they sleep straight. Then the other one where he caught where we meet up the motor half for road. That one we never feel for talk how many people them they be there for inside, but Sabi say the accident he make am more than 2 people them they don't sleep straight. Na road from Bankomo motor wey carry cement versus another Gongoro where it be there empty. Just for Sabi say roads it don't open back after that accident wey be passed. Just now we go take una turn back for this road wey dey for Entrebi. Now for inside Douala 3, that one the road na road wey must to so continue for talk. As soon as they see the road way for people themselves for pass, e no dey at all for Sika where the road dey. But the tell we say 3 years they never fix roads. Job Trophy Kwagnang, when a mayor for Douala 3, he talks say Bibi Pomporom Pom, they don't fix that road. But how the road he don't turn sote chakara against sote be for the kind of condition. Now the question that way no man he never fit for answer am. Sabi say for inside that side, people that the only take na mapam, nyati for corner. Okada two way the waka for inside that quarter for Antrebi, they the only tie heart. For Sika say, where e no dey. Plenty Okada then say when you ask them say you wan go for Antrebi inside quarter, they go tell you say where no dey. Bine people them, they don't lock their bine place. Water the way they turn up for that side. Now only water way it is smell. It don't turn up for all corners. So where e no dey. Some people then say where they dey for inside the Antrebi for that side. So for under Douala Tree, plenty of them. According to Tori wey enter we here. They don't run already, start for common for that quarter. For Sika, the way we wrote idem. Time we rain for sesep, we no day. Job Trophy Kwagna when na mayor sesep, he don't talk. Say, now work where the company where they begin, he no be do the work fine. But he the talk say small time council go back for them. For go see the roads. Then talk for people them as where they go the pass. For Sika say, they go block roads. For say make work is start back on top the road. So people them for inside Antrebi just now. Now palava for suffer this. They di suffer so take time no day at all. Now for inside Cameroon, Douala, Binet capital for we own country way the kind of roads is there for inside. Now only palava for Lokmop. See as well place it go continue for the only talk say tomorrow it go better. Yes. Now for talk say it go better. Now only so we go continue for talk. We go talk back this palava where plenty people them they never feel for believe am. Now for Yola Nasarao village where they 30 kilometers from Marua. When I talk say the village people they no get water for 53 years. Some person ask me say ambassador, these people they be the live. Now the kind of water this way they be the drink am for 53 years. Con the people them water no dey for inside the village. Yola Nasarao. See where they carry water. Now place where you make mistake, you go fall for inside. Water says where they drink am. 53 years. Now the kind of water where they don't drink am. You go they ask me say ambassador, are you sure for till way they talk? Now till way they happen. 53 years water no dey for drink. 53 years light in no day. Tell me how when they see the kind of clean water, them say they no go glad. For inside 53 years, now the first time when the people they drink water wey shine, then say their belly the surprise. Instead na the kind of water go surely make them they sick again. They be don't sabi as for drink that dirty water, and the people they no get light. Now for sick a wide that way the water wey na borehole, na power, na sun way they don't tap am so they take am for day then it make the water it come out. Head for tap, the village and nobody don't see am. So they don't talk say that the water as well they see and so. They go the worship and like say na God. They no go ever like and make it clean. Peripheral they drink water, so clean water after 53 years. Where they never see better drinking water. So now just they suffer that. True. Maybe Yola Nasorao, if he be na one of the plenty villages for inside Cameroon, where they suffer. 53 years where they no see water, it then at way you just only get for time Papa God. Say the people they so they alive so they now. For that kind of condition where they don't live inside. Water no day, light in no day. It means say even me say they know they see me as well they talk. See water where they drink am. So tell me how when they see clean water they no go the drink am. Some kind of water where they smell, one way it gets dirty for inside, they go live and so take water go down before they drink. Just see the kind of way put they live. This kind of clean water serve a day like say go instead give that put them na sick for skin. For sick I say they never ever be used to. So now they suffer that way Yola Nasarao village 30 kilometers from Marua. It don't suffer and so take now way council it make them that water say me they drink am. We go take una just now we talk palava for Northwest West. One sabi say plenty village them for that side so for Meme. One them for inside Boya particularly Northwest side. They don't burn. We place in no day. People that they hear about. Place will be used for hot just now. All places don't quiet. And plenty of the people there they don't come up for the village where fire don't enter for inside. Plenty of them. They then for side where they call them say Njombe. And na for Njombe we go meet up some one family wey dey so dem too dey run comot for northwest side and southwest. They don come for Njombe, but life e no strong at all at all. Life e strong for them. I say life e strong. When we enter for inside their house, we see the kind of condition wey dey shidon. Na for tell we say we no dey see bed wey pikin dey sleep. That bed don chakara so tey time no dey. Sometimes dem na dem 5, sometimes dem na dem 6. Wey no dey at all at all. Mami talk say the only look na up for Papa God. Say make some day peace e last turn back for inside country so that they go turn them back for their house. Chop sef for chop e no dey. I say chop for chop e no dey at all at all. So they dey beg say make one day make peace e last turn back. They dey suffer over suffer. So na only for inside your Papa God the house they fit go sing glad all time for say make thing dey happen. Nguti na some other place wey this palava dey hear bad. The hospital wey una dey see and so e don make like some 5 years. Hospital never open for sika say wetin all man e be run enter for bush. But life e don dey show say e dey turn back small small for Nguti. Na for sika wider way one big man wey dey call his oga do. ESSF e don call people dem, they don can open that hospital. And the hospital na for local people dem for Nguti. The hospital say no be don open for plenty time for sika the palava dem. But as wey people they don start turn come back, na way oga di OSSF e be dey for talk say just now make people dem no fear. Hospital dey and small time other thing dey wey they go open am for that side for Nguti. Plenty of the people dey under this year, they be dey na for inside bush. Small they don dey enter town and they dey pray say as well hospital too don open make e no lock again. Yes, make e no lock again. So they don start for sensitize people dem make they can look at their skin so that thing dem they no go some kind of way again for them. And they dey so beg oga dio dey beg say one day wey they dey for bush make the tie hat turn them back for town so that they go start enjoy small life. Make we hear wetin Dio for that side from Nguti. He talk for microphone for Derek Jato.
Miss Una say we are cry for Nguti. I will always carry up. Few weeks ago we be here for despite some food items them. Now we don't come for the free medical campaign. All that now from one of your important song from this song division. Boda OK Johnson, Ndo, who be GM for CSPH. I know plenty other them, like the council and other elite, they see the camp as they used to come. For camp support, women will come back for normal, good life. The director of St. John of God Hospital, who offer with the opportunity for come organize this activity inside this center. As we know, for long this place has been closed. We hope after this campaign today, the hospital will remain open for dialogue, for sensitize, make those who see the things say war will continue, may they know say now we will not get time again for war. Now we will not get time again for strike. We will be inside time for.
Just for sabi say after that hospital say we don't open with the beg, make people then say they start turn back for them. Oga Dio, e be talk say some big thing, e dey come for that side for Nguti again. Make we hear ye.
May Mboka shrine will be opened by the Bishop of Manfi. I no be priest, I no be father, I no be me forget for announcer, but since it don't come for my ears, and see when I dey here plenty, my share that new una too. May always come for prayer that day for peace to come back inside our subdivision. We will always remain here to hear your cry. We will always continue to give the assistance that we now.
As Sabi Sef say as we don't talk, they get big visitor. We go come from Nguti, win a big man for Bishop for that side, so for Manfim, where he go there for Nguti for open some new church for that side for number 5 them For this month, just now, we go talk palava for big day for work people them. Inside Bamenda, Sabise Country Sunday, it be answer present for around Commercial Avenue, as soon as I'm for Sideway, this one Gando Sese be get for happen. Then all the place and so for people there, they sabi Bamenda, the place them, it the ever flop for big day, then when I work people they get them. By the time you be even fit for stand up, you see the other house for that side and even see Percy way they come up for down that side. Just for tell with the kind of condition we work people them for inside that side. So for Bamenda, they be enjoy that big day. Sabi say now got Secretary General inside Governor Office, Secretary for inside Governor Office. Now he says it be happened in Gando. Pa Adoblele Lafrique no be day. So now Secretary says for office it be come for council as we Gando says for big work people them. It happen. Sabi say inside grandstand too, plenty of the chair them too. They be tonton they empty. Even as we work people they be tonton come out for that side. So for inside Bamenda for glad that big day. Sabi say the big day for work people them for Bamenda. It be then a day with plenty of them. They be fear to for come out. But last the one day they be come out for outside. They be tonton. They make their mash inside glads. So one day with the beg say they like all the way they happen. But palava for peace for inside Bamenda. Now with the one time. Sabi say normal big day them for Bamenda. The place they ever be empty. All places they happen. University for Bamenda SSF. Sabi say all the time them they don't they ever take face for palava for March. So them say they be they present for inside the for grandstand or for side where they make match for Bamenda. Even people themselves for Fecom, all people them they be them for glad as we it be then a big day for labor people them. But Sabi say the arrangement it happen for some kind of condition where all people themselves they ask themselves which kind of Gando we place it just dey some kind of style, but it be happen fine. No man he no get caught, no man he no be get wound for his skin after match way it happen for inside Bamenda. Sabi say as so be the look place we be take our eye then to count some people then too as so they be the match. For the people them for mini parts, now only 9 people them they be come out for match. After we'll do our counting, the one then get 7 people there they match. The one now people them for Watam, we then say they match. Other group for people there they look over people them. Now only 5 people them they be come out for match for outside for this number 1 day for work people them. Other people then too look for inside. Now the company where they get now only 5 people them where they be come out outside for number 1 day. The one now only 4 they come out for match for tell with the kind of condition where people they Bamenda they be fear for seeker this palava for number 1 day. The other group too for people them for water. Now 4 people them they be come out for match for this big day. So just for tell we say some people them for sick of fear for their mind. No be now all their work people them they be come out for outside. Another chapter will be looking inside this big day for labor people them for Bamenda na security. Sabi say be the happen for some kind of condition. Security be there for all corner as soon as they see moto them. Amok moto they be the tonton. Near they be there for all corner for see say all people then they fine. So no man it no be fit for even come close as we security it be full up for all corner for see say all my way come for come match as we be there na country Sunday for Bamenda. No man he no go get any hot or no man he no go get anything for his skin. Sabi say after the match pass it finish. Moto them for near they be they prepare for carry all people there they be come up for Kamash for take them go back for Saturday. So all that moto them for back now for wait for the people there they come for Kamash for carry them take them go. But Sabi say security it don't be now one of the thing them where it dey for Bamenda all the time them where palava it dey for outside for northwest and southwest. We no be come out for Bamenda we will no be see one thing we be sweet we. Even as we the place it wrong, work people them they be glad for match.
We say kudos to Mr. Nippon Bentley who is marching in military style. Congratulations to all the workers of Ayaba. Oh, we talk about
That will be Siam for inside Bamenda for big day. Make we take una enter for big day. Sesa for work people them for Ezeka. Sabi say big day for that side be nya. For Sika Palava rain way before for that side. Plenty people then say they become for the Ngando place for can see as we work people then say they go come out for outside Oga Ezio Bidede for see as we the arrangement it go happen and other big people them for Ezeka work people them for that side they make their mash now for under rain poto way we don't already start come out for film now the condition that way work people they come out for Gladia Day for Ezeka with roof way the leak as soon as the see na place that way they shidon from Ngando all the way for meet up people there they shidon for grandstand for Sika Palava say waiting zinc e don wowo they no be fit for fix am so wa I too e be casual one for inside place where they call am say Ezeka as well they be the glads their big day. Douala Ngando e be pass fine sabi say e be dey na economic capital the business capital for we country plenty work people they be come out for outside but one of the cry the way work people they get na say they know they get better pay for the workplace where they work on top that palava they say that big people them they know they look at them fine on top the same palava they cry say even as well they make mash country it is also gonna only for some kind of condition where they know they understand so all the cry them now where they put them for power governor Samuel Jodoneva Diboa when na SSF e be dey like head boy for the Ngando for work people them for inside Douala apart from all the cry the way be happen sabi say for inside Douala number 1 day for inside number 5 moon 2019 e be just dey like some big day where people that they ever glad 31st day for December. Now so to Musanga, it be day too for some people them where they don't do their work fine. So governor says it be take time for give Musanga for some people them, even Toriman, for Punini, it will be get and other people them. So then Ngando, it be pass fine for Douala. Sabi say after the mash for a big place of Besekem, Ngando be continue na for bar for some people them. For some people them, it be then for place where they don't rent. So Ngando, it be pass fine for this side, so for inside Douala. As so I talk, big day for Tory people them, it then for Friday. Na well press freedom day Kamasech Cameroon English Tory people them for Douala side they don't so they prepare for this big day where they come Sabi Sebse will be meet up with the head boy for Kamasech for Douala side here Moki Charles Linongem where he try for Tewi as well then Ngando go they happen after we they be nang damba for Sunday way pass make we hear Moki Charles Linongem talk for we.
These days when they come up front, we get for meet up because we be start with things for outside for show population say we dey and now we big day they come and for tell population what to really do because some people they judge we plenty where they don't know exactly what to get for do. We there for street for Douala Waka. We don't go see people the way do palava for Norway and Southwest don't move and for their house where they did decide go get them job. We don't play football, we dey outside. So from these days where they come up front now, we get to go now inside or now we to start look other things the way they concern, they will work. Like even young people where they just enter the work, there's someone that can get more trouble the way they don't know how to go because the challenges are plenty. First time when some people they will do the work, conflict no be there for Norway and Southwest. Conflict don't come now, someone they don't know how to report that. So when they go back now for honor, then we start look some of these things the way they call it, human rights, how we feel report for time for conflict and so on. When we inside crisis, how we get for report.
Yes, and just so Sabi say the big day for Tory people then SSF, it dinner for Friday. Waiting Kamasech for Douala go do make we hear president again, he talk.
For big day itself, number 3 day for me, that will big day that we get some big money will come from one of the embassy them for the country. We can talk plenty things about we work, about democracy, about what we call misinformation. This thing when some man just don't so go for Facebook, right? Say tomorrow when I do so, people they start fear. Some man they start talk say, oh, it is so ambassador don't do the kind of thing so. People start saying, oh, nothing. So a lot of misinformation. People they just put that anyhow. It over confuse population now. Population be confused. Sometimes they want you to say when I do this, people go left. Small time when I go right, people go right.
And just so Sabi say, as a big day for Tory people, then they come. Council for Protestant Church, them, SEPCA, with the communication department, SEP, they go organize some big gando, and their own gando, now for meet up with Tory people, them, for that side for Yawende. This one, it go happen na tomorrow. Community radio people, them, they go shidon for talk on top, the strong talk, them, with big day for press, World Press Freedom Day, it get them, and other small one, them. So, SEPCA, too, it go the glad, a big day. Ben na for inside hall for that side, so for Yawende. Tori don't finish for this afternoon. Newspaper they get their own chapter for talk for we. Guidance post a day for outside this sun time. It tell we now so now for fire back. Southwest chief then just now they don't talk back for Governor Bernardo Kalabilai. They don't talk say waiting. Say that it's way talk say me they come on march for 20th May. They no go talk. They no go come out at all. On top the same chapter, chief them for Southwest. They don't talk say talk with Governor for Southwest. He talk na hate talk and na way don't make them. They look like small picking them. Inside the same chapter, they tell we say Pani John Frundi, he prepare another bomb for Nkunkuma. Now wait till the plan if you read them inside the guidance post. Now so today they talk for we some man way EBD waka with the hard drug, the Trump medicine them. They catch it inside plane way with small picking man Damba team. EBD waka for inside after we they win cup for that side for Tanzania. National Rights Commission then says they did so check their sayings. On top the way waiting that is also go war for that side so for Norwest and Southwest. Other to read them, if you for read them inside the guidance post where it dey for outside. Make we look the post where weekend where it dey outside today. Con the people them inside the post weekend they try for Terry for that side say they so even as we Frundi they be catching. Honorable Banazem they give better burial for that side so for Kumbo. Over 1,000 jandan then just now the post weekend at the Terry they don't already catch them for Sika Palaba strong heart where they do people them and they abuse human rights plus choke away the like and plenty. Chief then too for Southwest they don't turn back for governor for talk 17 that he hate talk way talk and palava way make them they look like picking them they no like at all. Case for Siseko Ayokta Bim they say lawyer people they don't talk say they no go turn back for court so they appeal court he come out his own strong talk for inside this palava. Other to read them if you for read them for the post weekend where it dey for outside today. The Herald, now another newspaper will look for inside this afternoon. Inside the Herald, they talk for we, Cameroon Herald. They say what they look inside the first 100 day them for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute, head from Gomna, after we they put it like a Prime Minister for we country. Inside the same chapter, the Cameroon Herald, he talk for we, chapter for Lompanga, where they talk say he come in, he go make people them for East region, they no go remain again for inside dark. We look to inside the Voice newspaper where they for outside the sun time con the people them the Voice newspaper na another one where they tell we Governor Okala Bilai colonial vex sardine chief them they tell we as we chief them for Southwest they don't talk say that kind of wild commandier they know they at all inside the same Voice newspaper you go read to him where it concerns Siseko Julius Ayok Tabim where he says he don't change he don't make a new governor then he don't come out the interim governor where they look out people them for his own side for country. Inside the same Voice newspaper you go read Tori where it concern Damba they talk for we as well Lionel Messi he don't help Barcelona for go for semi-finals or for make them get first hand on top the semi-final for Damba. Now so today they tell we as we Cardinal Christian to me a village fire enter for them waiting really cause a fire. The Voice newspaper it get that answer. Independent Observer now another Tory that will look for inside this afternoon country people them. Independent Observer it tell we separatist people them they don't talk say what they come for before for Pani John Frundi according to way Independent Observer it talk so for inside the Independent Observer they tell we as we Tory people them for that side for Bamenda they don't go talk Asia for people that they run for Sikadi Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Now so today they talk if Ngomna Presbyterian Church it be here to for your advice waiting no for happen enter for the Independent Observer you go read them plus Palava why way Nga Christian he own work where they do he don't make English talk for we country for Palava newspaper it don't go for before. Other to read them, the independent observer wey dey outside, e get an all for talk for you. We get this case for person wey don lost, we just come for we before. This Ngondere wey dey see him. Now small guy wey get 13 years, they call it say na Precious Tebo. Just now, Oga Tebo Henry, he talk say it is his sister or a pikin, he don't disappear, and they talk say he be comot for Muyoka, na for that side for Southwest. He be the camp for Douala, and this pikin wey they call it say na Precious, since he just dey na JJC, it means say na Jane just come. He no be sabi town plenty, and he no be fit for reach their family house wey be get for go for that side, so for Nyasa. Since for Sunday number 28 day for inside last moon we just finished. So Oga Tebo Henry, dey beg any person wey you don't see this pikin 13-year-old na Precious Tebo or Idikipi, make he beg, make he bring am for Equinox Story House. All that thing number the way dey for before tele just now. You fit start ring am 672-467-509 675-855 or 677-398-389. They say plenty dash it wait any man wey he help Oga Tebo for find this a pikin. Monsieur Tebo Henry déclare la disparition de sa fille âgée de 13 ans, la nommée na Precious Tebo, partie de Moyoka au sud-ouest pour la ville de Douala. La petite na Precious, ne connaissant pas la ville, n'a pas pu retrouver le domicile familial 6 à Yassa depuis dimanche 28 avril 2019. Toute personne qui reconnaît ou hébergerait la petite na Precious Tebo est priée de la conduire à la radio Equinox ou joindre le numéro que vous voyez à l'écran, sur l'écran 672-467-509 675 000 855 677-398 389 contre une très forte récompense. So, on a tried for help Oga Tebo Henry for that sister way or pikin we come on Muyoka and he can lose for inside Douala here. Once a big thank you for Watat we put hand for Tori we pass this afternoon. Thank you to Ledu, Malice and Nadine. Any I1B we go join for some time for the last one for inside this week. On a whole I'm tight for outside.